What's the word? Huh? What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? Hop on the scene like what's the word? Original visuals back with another one, do it no other way. Changing the colorway. Louis is minimal, blue act with the royal ones.
The royal blue ones?
Rare individual, rude boy is my native tongue.
Bad man.
Nike my ritual, quality, this is on feet. Everything digital, need kicks, you can call me. Value is critical, clean whip, this is all me. Pull up with the package so nothing is average. The latest in fashion, subscribe to the channel, I'll give you the status if you wanna grab it. Hop on the scene like what's the word? Original visuals back with another one, do it no other way. Changing the colorway. Louis is minimal, blue act with the royal ones. Rare individual, rude boy is my native tongue.
Bad man.
Nike my ritual, nigga.
What's the word, YouTube? And I'm back with another visual from your boy Original. You see what we got going on here, y'all. Another Jordan for your head top. But before we get into these canvas Jordan 4s, make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. All is greatly appreciated. Okay, so we have the Air Jordan 4 canvas right here. These joints is fire, my dudes. Fire. Okay, so these were set to release October 5th, but for some reason, for some crazy strange reason, on Foot Locker, they were released October 1st. So on Friday, you know how Foot Locker is. On Friday, or prior to Friday, before Friday, they opened up the draw for Foot Locker for you to put your head starts in for the Canvas 4s. Here I am thinking that, you know what I'm saying, that the shoe releases October 5th. I couldn't put it together as to why they were releasing on Saturday. You know what I'm saying? So I guess, I don't know what the mix-up is, the mishap is with Jordan Brand and Nike, but Foot Locker released these October 1st. But this Canvas Jordan 4 was set to release October 5th, 2022. I'm happy I got them now. A lot of people who hit on the Sneakers app or other websites where you can get them are getting theirs today. You know what I'm saying? So meaning if they purchase them today, they'll be coming later. I don't know what's going on with that, y'all. All I know is I have mine right now. I got them off the Foot Locker app, and I'm happy I got them a little earlier than everyone else, you know what I'm saying? Because now I can bring you this video on time versus to always being late. So in this video, as well as all my other videos, we will be discussing colorway, quality, and if you should cop or not. Let's start with the colorway. So starting on the outer sole of the shoe, we have a black on our back heel. We have a white on our forefoot with the red Jumpman. We have a red patch on our forefoot, and we have those iconic stars at the tip of the bottom of the toe box. Continuing on to the midsole, we have a gray on our midsole. Our air unit is white. We have white on our back heel. Continuing on to the upper of the shoe, our toe cap area. Our toe cap area is Our toe cap is in suede. Our toe box, medial and lateral side, is of a canvas material. Another way for me to explain canvas is more like a jean. It's like a jean material is what you see here. Fire touch. But anyway, the whole toe box, medial and lateral side, is of black canvas. Continuing on to our tongue, we have that black net. We have that neoprene at the bottom of our tongue, and we have that black tongue. That patch on our tongue is of a nylon material. We have a white Jumpman, and we have the red words reading flight. Continuing on to the back heel, we have a white on the bottom. Continuing on, we have a black. Our pull tab is of plastic, and we have that gray Jumpman slapped on the back right there. So these are fire. I know these look like a Jordan we've seen before. I do have them. They're the Bred 4s. I have them up there. I'll throw them up so you guys get a glimpse of what the Bred 4s are. You know what I'm saying? These look a lot similar, but the materials they used on it are a lot different. And that's where Jordan Brand wins. The fact that the shoe looks like we've seen it before, but when you get up close on it, you never seen anything like this. These are fire. So when it comes to colorway, these joints are getting a solid 8 out of 10, hands down. They fire to me, in my humble opinion. Do y'all agree? Comment down below if you like or you don't like the Canvas 4s. These joints is hard to me. And it's my job to persuade you to like a shoe that you don't like. You dig me? But anyway, continuing on to the quality. The quality we have here is phenomenal. No complaints when it comes to quality at all. Starting on the bottom of the sole, we have a black rubber, we have a white rubber, and we have a red rubber all throughout the outer sole of this shoe. All rubber. Continuing on to the midsole, all rubber as well. Black rubber, white rubber, gray rubber. We have that air unit in white. Continuing on to the toe cap area, our toe cap is of suede material. Fly touch. Fly. Continuing on to the toe box, medial and lateral side is of canvas. Another way for me to explain canvas for you is like a jean material. This is fire. I can't believe that Jordan Brand really jumped out of the box on this one. These are fire, y'all. Continuing on to the tongue, we have our black netting. We have that black neoprene material. We have our black flat rope laces. Our tongue is in that canvas material as well with that nylon patch with the white Jumpman and the red words reading flight. Our winged eyelids are of rubber. Continuing on to the back of the heel, we have rubber on the bottom in black. We have a white rubber. We have another strip of black leather here on the back. Continuing on to the pull tab here is of plastic. And we have a gray Jumpman slapped on that. The collar of our shoe is in a black as well. These are fire. When it comes to quality, these really test the tail of time. You feel what I'm saying? These are a quality shoe. So when it comes to quality, I'm rating these a 9 out of 10 when it comes to quality. These were put together with the best of materials that Jordan has to offer us. And Nike. Thank you, Nike, for giving us a quality shoe. You know what I'm saying? I just reviewed the taxi ones. Those are quality. So when it comes to quality, we're with phenomenal materials. We back to back on them like that. So I have no complaints when it comes to quality. Thank you, Jordan Brand, for giving us a shoe in this form of high-class quality. Okay, so on to if you should cop or not. I don't see why you wouldn't want to cop. Actually, I do see why you wouldn't want to cop. Sorry for contradicting myself, but the only reason why you wouldn't want to cop these is because the price on them is high. And let me tell you guys, it's not getting lower. You know what I'm saying? For some reason, these are a highly anticipated release. I guess because the canvas/jean material we have here is different, the price is not coming down. So like I said, I picked these up on October 1st. The main release for this shoe was October 5th. Yeah, so they sitting on StockX Go for $300. You know what I'm saying? That's pricey. And that price is not going to come down. Trust. So if you want these, I suggest you purchase them now at the $300 that they're at, because let me tell you, a shoe that just released and is already at $300 is only going higher, my people. It's only going to get higher. So push the button now that it's, I wouldn't say reasonable, but it's better than $500. I'd rather spend $3 than $5. How about y'all? Anyway, yes, cop these joints. They are fire. They're different. You've never seen anything like this before. You know what I'm saying? So I know I've been telling y'all I've been slacking. I'm ready to throw that slacking business away and give you the content y'all deserve. I have the shoes, I just have to make the videos for y'all, which I've been doing. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for rocking with me. I really appreciate y'all. I'm pushing 500 subscribers. I'm doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers. To enter to win the giveaway, you have to be following me on social media, on my Instagram, my Snapchat, and my Twitter. It is Original Shottaz, Original SHOTTAZ on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. You have to be subscribed to my channel. That's what you need to do to enter to win. And I need proof. So when I drop that video at 500 subs and the first person comments and you're not following me on social media, it's gonna go on. The giveaway is gonna go to whoever is following me on social media and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. I'm sorry, but this is what I gotta do, man. This is what I gotta do. We've been growing. And the fact that I'm growing at such a fire rate, I have to give y'all something, man. I really appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I really do. So before I get into the on-foot segment of this video, make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. All is greatly appreciated. Thank you.